Hey guys, Troy here. Um, here, I'm sick. I think Palm Tree should win Battle for Dream Island Mini. Relux. I don't know. I feel like Palm Tree doesn't have a confirmed gender, so I'm just calling Palm Tree they, them, I guess, and it. I feel like they should deserve to win. They're very silly, and I love their attitude. And their friendship that they have with Lilypad, I hope they win. I don't know. Palm Tree has really grown on me. It's just so silly and sassy. Like, the animation on the new one made Palm Tree so crazy. I don't know what was the whole thing with making a new tree. I don't know what happened with Palm Tree. Also, look. Crap. I can... I don't know what I'm doing anymore, guys.